Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Wren. Today we're making an electric watermelon cocktail. Pretty pink with a bit of a peppery taste. This cocktail is delicious. Let's make this. First, let's make your pink peppercorn syrup. In a small pot, heat pink peppercorn pods until they're fragrant. Then add water and bring to a boil, cooking for 5 minutes. Strain this mixture into a cup and add water to make it a half cup in total. Then add your honey and stir to dissolve. The syrup will keep for a week. Make the electric watermelon cocktail. Combine your gin and syrup, lemon juice, watermelon juice into a shaker. Shake until well chilled. Strain into a cocktail glass and then garnish with a watermelon chunk pressed into the rim of the glass. Cheers, everyone. Please drink responsibly.